Hello everybody, this is Teddy the Roofer. We are replacing some siding today. This is a wood siding for I have many names of this kind of siding, but it's wood. See this nail how it's pop up. All the nails are like this. See, all the nails is starting to get out by themselves. We remove all the wood siding. We wrap it with a Tyvek and we install new fascia, the white, and a new soffit and a new siding. This is Teddy Escobar with Team Exteriors LLC. Subscribe to my channel and share. Like our channel so you can follow us and see other jobs we do every week. Have a nice day.